So today I will be going through how to navigate through your Google Drive. So first thing is you go to Google, click over on this tab like you would whenever you go to your calendar, and you're going to click on Drive. From here you can see your shared with, your trash, how much storage you have left. And for today's purpose of the video, we're going to go to New. And it then brings up folder, file uploads, and it also brings up Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Forms. First things is Google Docs, and once you open it you'll see it is like Word, which is helpful because if you don't have the software Word, you could then just go through Google Drive and it has all the normal tabs that you would see in Word, things like that. And then next after that you have Google Sheets, which is like Excel. Again, same tabs and everything, and again, which is very helpful to have this if you do not have the Excel software downloaded to your laptop or any computer. After that, you then have Google Slides, which is like PowerPoint, and again, it's set up in the same exact format just like PowerPoint, so it's very user friendly. Again, same thing with this one like the others. It's very helpful if you do not have this software downloaded. And lastly, you have Google Forms, which is a way of making quizzes or surveys, questionnaires, anything. And you could then type in your questions and then put your answer options. If you want it to be multiple choice. And then once people will respond, you will be able to then see your responses, and you can also send this out to specific people if you want, post it, and things like that. So this is a very helpful tool for someone who may have just gotten a brand new laptop or just doesn't feel like paying for the software of Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, or any of those. It's very user friendly and very easy, so